Hi there, I'm Michael Coleman and I'm just here with a bit of spring summer colour with these beautiful flowers. Look at those colours, so vibrant. Nature is amazing. Well, look at this petunia, night sky, look at that. That is basically, look at that. That's a bit like the universe. It's like ultraviolet, doesn't it? With the stars. These are beautiful colours, look at that. So stunning. It is absolutely lovely. Look at that. Anyway, I hope you appreciate that. If you do, please do like and subscribe. Hope it's brightened up your day a bit. And these are called petunias, by the way.